Hey guys, let's be honest. Everyone wants to know how to make someone they like notice them. But what if I told you that you don't need cheesy lines or fake confidence? Psychology actually gives us powerful, natural ways to make a girl genuinely like you without pretending to be someone else. Today, we're exploring 10 simple psychological tricks that help you connect, attract, and leave a lasting impression. So, let's dive in and understand how attraction really works. First, be comfortable with silence. Most guys rush to fill every second with words, thinking silence is awkward. But psychology says silence builds tension, and tension creates attraction. When you're calm and comfortable even in quiet moments, it shows confidence. You're not desperate for attention, you're just relaxed, and that makes her more curious about you. Second, mirror her energy. Have you ever noticed how people bond when they act alike? That's called mirroring. It's when you subtly copy someone's tone, gestures, or pace of talking. When she laughs, you smile too. When she leans forward, do the same after a few seconds. This creates a feeling of similarity, and people naturally like those who seem like them. Keep it gentle and natural. You're syncing, not acting. Third, be genuinely interested. Forget pickup lines. Curiosity is your real superpower. Ask her meaningful questions like, what made you start that hobby? Or what do you love doing when you're alone? When she talks, really listen. Don't plan your next line, just respond naturally. People feel close to those who make them feel heard. Real attraction doesn't come from talking more. It comes from listening better. Fourth, use eye contact, but not too much. Eye contact builds trust and connection faster than words. Hold it softly while she talks, then glance away naturally. Too little looks nervous, too much looks intense. The right balance creates warmth and chemistry. It silently tells her, I'm confident and I'm paying attention. Fifth, give genuine compliments. Instead of focusing on looks like everyone else, go deeper. Say something like, I like how passionate you sound when you talk about your goals. Or, you have a really calming energy. Real compliments show that you notice the person, not just the appearance. When a girl feels seen, she feels special. That's how connection begins. Sixth, be playfully teasing. A little teasing creates fun tension and makes conversations memorable. But remember, it should make her laugh, not feel bad. If she takes too long to choose food, you can smile and say, I'll bring a map next time. Light humor triggers dopamine, the same chemical behind excitement and happiness. So, playful teasing keeps the energy fun and flirty. Seventh, be confident in your own space. Confidence isn't about being loud. It's about being sure of yourself. You don't need to show off or brag. Just own your presence, how you talk, walk, and smile. Psychology calls it nonverbal confidence, and it's powerful. Even a calm posture and steady tone can show that you're comfortable in your skin. People like those who like themselves. Eighth, create inside jokes. Inside jokes make two people feel like they share a secret world. It's something fun. Ninth, respect her boundaries. It might sound simple, but it's a big deal. If she says she's busy, don't keep texting. If she's quiet, give her space. When you respect her boundaries, she sees you as mature and emotionally aware. That respect builds trust, and trust builds attraction. Because everyone feels safe around someone who values their comfort. And finally, number 10, leave her wanting more. Don't always be available or over-message. End conversations while they're still fun. Mystery creates attraction. It's human nature to want what's not too easy to get. When you leave a little curiosity behind, she'll start thinking about you on her own. That's when interest turns into genuine attraction. So remember, making a girl like you isn't about tricks or pretending. It's about being confident, kind, and authentic. Use these psychological tips wisely, and you'll see how people naturally start enjoying your presence. Because real attraction doesn't grow from perfection. It grows when you make someone feel safe, understood, and happy around you.